Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'll be explaining how to fix the printer queue not working on an Epson printer on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And head into your settings. From here you're going to want to get to your devices, and then we're going to go to printers and scanners. Alright, go ahead and add your printer to your devices if you have not done so already. Next, you're going to head to your Epson printer in here. Going to go into printer properties, advanced right here, and then so it'll be like this by default. Make sure it changes to start printing after last page is spooled, because some printers support this thing where it prints immediately the next page. Well, Epsons do not support this, so you have to print after the last page is spooled. Go ahead and change this, click apply, click OK, and your printer should now be fixed. If you guys do have any additional questions or comments or concerns, let me know down in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them.